Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Microbiology Easy Notes. Today we are going to discuss Mycoplasma. We will explore Mycoplasma's unique characteristics, classification, cell structure, locomotion, reproduction, and Mycoplasma common species. First, introduction to Mycoplasma. The word Mycoplasma is derived from two Greek words, myx, which means fungus. Plasma means formed or molded. The word indicate it is a fungi, though it is a bacteria. These were first isolated by the two French bacteriologists E. Nocard and E. R. Roux in 1898 from pleurofluids of cattle affected with pleuropneumonia. These organisms were named as Mycoplasma in 1929 by Nowak. Characteristics of Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma is a unicellular and prokaryotic organism. Shape. The organism lacks cell wall. Due to this, there is no definite shape of Mycoplasma cell. They are pleomorphic, meaning their cell can be spherical, oval, club shape, or can be irregular in shape. Some mycoplasmas, for example, Mycoplasma genitalium, have a specialized terminal structure that projects from the cell and gives them a flask or pear-shaped structure. Their size can be 0.3 to 0.8 micrometer in diameter. Nutrition type. They can be saprophytes, commensals, or parasitic. Oxygen requirement. Most Mycoplasma species are facultative anaerobes, but a few are obligate anaerobes. Habitat. They are ubiquitous, found globally and in many environments. If we look into their environmental habitat, they are present in soil, hot spring, and sewage, often as saprophytes. In humans and animals, Mycoplasma are found in mucous membranes of nose, throat, lungs, genitals. They may also present in eyes, joints, and blood. In plants, they present inside phloem tissues and causing disease in many species. Insects also are a habitat of Mycoplasma. They serve as reservoirs and vectors for plant pathogenic mycoplasmas. Cell structure. Most prominent characteristic of Mycoplasma is they lack cell wall. Their cell membrane is trilaminar. Its thickness is 7.5 to 10 nanometers. Cell membrane contains sterols, which provide stability and are typically acquired from the host. It also facilitates osmosis in the cell. Genome. Cytoplasm contains circular double-stranded DNA. Mycoplasmas have relatively small genomes compared to other bacteria, reflecting their limited metabolic capabilities. The size of genome is around 0.7 to 1.7 megabits. Ribosome. In Mycoplasma 70s, ribosomes are present. RNA. Soluble RNA is present. Surface proteins. At-surface proteins are present, which help in attachment to the host cell and in locomotion. Mycoplasma cell does not have cell wall, and it also does not possess any common locomotory structures like flagella or pili. Despite this, many Mycoplasma species are capable of a unique form of movement called gliding motility. This movement is powered by ATP hydrolysis. There are two primary mechanisms of gliding motility in Mycoplasma. The first mechanism is called centipede model. This is the fastest and most efficient form of locomotion in Mycoplasma. It is present in Mycoplasma mobile and other species. On the cell surface, there are hundreds of tiny leg proteins, such as GLI 349, GLI 521, and GLI 123, etc., are present. Help in movement. How centipede mechanism work? At first, the protein GLI 349 acts as a foot that binds to sialic acid present on the host surface. Then, using energy from ATP hydrolysis, the protein GLI 521 acts as a lever and pulls the cell forward. After that, foot releases the surface so it can reach forward and bind again. This movement is like centipede, where hundreds of tiny legs are working in a coordinated cycle to pull the cell along. The second mechanism is called inching model. This type of locomotion is found in human pathogens like M. pneumoniae and M. genitalium. It is significantly slower than the M. mobile type. These species have a distinct, pointed structure at one end of the cell called the attachment organelle. This organelle contains a dense internal core made of proteins like P1, P30, and P40. These proteins act as adhesins. At first, the tip of the attachment organelle binds strongly to the host cell surface. Then, internal cytoskeleton undergoes conformational changes. After that, cell pushes the attachment organelle forward, anchors it, and then pulls the rest of the cell body toward the anchor point. This movement is more like an inchworm or a crawling motion, and highly directional, thus known as inching model. And now, reproduction in Mycoplasma. Sexual reproduction is absent in Mycoplasma, but asexual reproduction occurs by 3 methods. These methods are binary fission, budding, and fragmentation. Binary fission. Division of the cell gives rise to the 2 identical daughter cells of equal size. DNA of the nucleus of a mature cell divides first, and then the cell divides into 2 daughter cells. Budding. In this method, new individual develops from bud of an existing organism. When bud matures, it separates from parent cell and becomes independent cell. In some protozoan species, buds may be produced from almost any point of the body, but in many cases, budding is restricted to specialized areas. Fragmentation. Some species of Mycoplasma grow into long, multinucleated filaments rather than dividing immediately. Inside these filaments, several genomes are replicated. The filament eventually fragments into many tiny, reproductive units called elementary bodies. Each elementary body then grows into a mature, typical Mycoplasma cell. And now, some common Mycoplasma species. Several Mycoplasma species are known to cause disease in humans and animals. Some of the most clinically relevant species include Mycoplasma pneumonia, a common cause of atypical pneumonia, also known as walking pneumonia, primarily affecting children and young adults; Mycoplasma genitalium, a sexually transmitted infection associated with urethritis, cervicitis, and pelvic inflammatory disease; Mycoplasma hominis, found in the genitourinary tract, and can cause postpartum fever, PID, and bacterial vaginosis; Mycoplasma fermentans, implicated in various diseases, including respiratory infections and arthritis, and has been associated with HIV pathogenesis; Ureaplasma ureolaticum, closely related to Mycoplasma and commonly found in the genitourinary tract. It can cause urethritis, chorioamnionitis, and neonatal infections. This is the classification diagram of Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma belongs to Mycoplasma totophyllum. Class is Mollicutes. In this class there are 3 orders: Mycoplasmoidales, Mycoplasmatoles, and Holeplasmatoles. Order Mycoplasmoidales contains 2 families, Mycoplasmoidaceae, Metamycoplasmataceae. Order Mycoplasmotales have 2 families, named Mycoplasmataceae and Spiroplasmataceae. Order Echoleplasmatales have only 1 family, Echoleplasmataceae. Then each family have their own genera. With the discovery of several groups of Mycoplasma, it has been categorized on the basis of the organisms they mainly infect. First category is Mycoplasmas which infect animals and humans, Phytoplasmas which infect plants, Spiroplasma infect plant and insects, Archaeoplasma infect animals, insects, and plants, and then Entomoplasma primarily infect insects. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and also share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!